Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we have some more parts for the 6.0, this time from our friend Jacob over at JV WeldWorks. So let's get back into the house. We'll go ahead, unbox this stuff, and take a look at what we got. All right, guys, so we just finished installing the door handles in the truck in the 6.0, and well, we're in here working on making breakfast, and a box showed up. So I haven't looked. I just cut the tape. So let's open this guy up. I'm gonna go ahead and pull this stuff out of here and take a look at what we got. All right, so not gonna lie, had it over there, but I'm refilming this because I didn't like how you couldn't really see it. So this is what we got. So this is a nameplate that goes on the fan shroud. So let's go ahead, we'll get the old one off and start getting this guy on there. All right, so y'all have already seen the wire loom thing upgrade. I haven't filmed that video yet, but that one will go out first. But like I showed in the unboxing portion, we do have one more piece. So let's go ahead, get it unpackaged, and take a look at it. All right, so as you can see, we got the majority of the glue off. Or, I mean, there's only like a few little bitty dots, but should be fine. I've been scrubbing on this thing for a solid 15-20 minutes with this 90% alcohol. Just be careful, don't get this on any kind of paint or whatever. Let's scratch it up. And I did use one of these non-marring pry tools to kind of scrape some of it off, but just be careful not to damage the stuff underneath. So with that, now we have our new piece, and yes, that's this, don't worry about it. One of the little plastic feet is wore out, that makes noise all the time, but now you have your new piece from JV WeldWorks. Go ahead, set it up here, see how you like it. I mean, it's not perfect fit, I will say. It is a little smaller than what the original one was, but I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna mark a center point on this. I just want it even, so I'll get a tape measure, we'll mark that out so it's all even and centered, and we'll go ahead, peel our double stick tape and stick this guy on. All right, so if you hear any background noise, I apologize. That generally starts about this time on Saturdays, and it'll go to about 2 a.m. But anyway, we got our nameplate all installed. So I took this, and I kind of got an idea, and ended up just eyeballing it, for being completely honest. And I mean, I think it looks pretty good. Now, one thing I will say, this does have a bit of a curve to it, and that piece there is a little loose. So I'm not worried about it right now, because I'm probably going to pull this thing back off at some point and powder coat it. But after that, I might take just a little dab of silicone or something like that and put like right here, and then the same thing over here, because this is a little loose as well, but all in all, not bad. So anyway, I'm gonna get down here, I gotta do a few other things, and we'll probably go ahead and end out this video there. All right, guys, so this thing is so cool. I love this truck. But anyway, got the nameplate and the cowl piece installed. So I'm gonna get this thing out of here and see what it looks like. All right, so I want to see what it looked like out here in the sunlight. Probably shouldn't close the hood all the way, but it's fine. And the hood didn't open all the way. There we go. So, just like I said, just some little accents. This thing looks killer. I absolutely love the way that looks. Like I said, I'm not real worried about this because this is probably gonna come back off, so I don't want to like super attach it or anything like that. The same thing with the wire loom piece. So at some point we'll get both of these off, but I think I mentioned it in the last video, I want to get a bunch of stuff together to powder and do a bunch of stuff all at once, and not a piece here and a piece there. So just, I don't know, one of those things. If the truck's going to be apart and whatnot, I would rather it be all the way apart. Sorry about that, if the camera wasn't in focus. But like I was saying, I mean, if the truck's going to be apart, I would rather it be all the way apart and doing a bunch of pieces to it. So that's that. And if we're being completely honest, I kind of want to change the purple. Not because I don't like the purple. I want to do a different purple. So I've been looking at a few different purples and whatnot, and I don't know whether to do a crazy purple. Voodoo Child, if y'all have seen Columbia Coating's Voodoo Child, it's pretty dope. So I don't know, you know, should we do Voodoo Child? Should we just go with the same powder from the powder coat store? Should we get a different chrome base? I don't know. I like the color. I really do like the color. I wish it was a little deeper and a little bit brighter, if that makes sense. But then you think, well, if I go through the deal of changing, sandblasting everything again, doing everything again, you know, do I want to go back with just a different shade of purple? Probably not. That's where Voodoo Child come in. I'll put a picture up here on the screen of Voodoo Child. Y'all let me know what y'all think about that. So y'all see that Voodoo Child. Like I said, Voodoo Child is pretty wild, but I think that would look pretty dope under the hood. I mean, you pop the hood, even at night, now that we have the rock lights, pop the hood and that sun hits and that color starts to pop and all the different, I think that'd be pretty cool. But y'all let me know down below. If we're being honest, roll this window up. I need to retint these too. I mean, they're faded pretty good. As you can tell. That side, oh, wrong window. You can see that. But I'm not gonna lie, I kind of want to change up a bunch of stuff with this truck, and I've already started reaching out to some companies, see if we could work on some stuff, because, well, with this channel, I want to grow relationships with companies that I can work on for years and years down the road. I'm only 22, and it's crazy to say this, I started on the white truck 8 years ago, over 8 years ago now. It would have been 8 years in January, so 2 months ago, that I started on the white truck. And well, if we're being honest, I don't plan on stopping anytime soon. So, you know, I mean, if I can grow with companies, as I like to say, and I like to put it, that would be awesome. So I have started reaching out to a few companies. I've been trying to do that more often and whatnot. So hopefully we will have some stuff pretty soon, maybe. Like I said, I mean, I've been sending a ton of emails lately, not only for this, but for the 300 and a few for the white truck. But this truck, I love this truck. It's no secret. This is my favorite vehicle. I will say, like, pretty admittedly. I love the white truck, but this truck, it just hits different. It's fun to drive, makes cool noises, it's easy to drive, you know, all that stuff. So I love this thing. But like I said, I mean, I have been, actually, let me flip the camera around. I can talk to y'all. So sorry if it's kind of shaky. I just got my arm leaned on the door, and let's turn the stars on. Get y'all some background going other than my ugly mug. But anyway, like I said, I have been reaching out to some folks about stuff because, like I said, if I can grow with companies and you know, like, I want to get another one of these and I want to do like a big 6.0 build, kind of like the white truck times 10, if that puts it into perspective. I'd kind of like to get a wrecked one, custom paint the thing, full custom lift, a bunch of stuff. I mean, a bunch of stuff. So, you know, if I can have a bunch of companies that I work with and I know the people and everything like that, it kind of simplifies things in a way, and two, kind of can get things rolling a little quicker, if that makes sense. And it's just cool to talk to people. The fast fuel systems people, they didn't sponsor that kit. I got that kit from Blessed Performance, my man Matt over there. But those guys, those are awesome guys over there. Talk to them every week about something. But those are great people over there at Fast. So if y'all need a fuel system for your diesel truck, check out Fast. If you need your diesel tuned, Blessed Performance, my guy Matt, super good guy. But that's something I've been working on. So if we can get a different lift for this truck, I might get new charge pipes and a new intake, and you know, that'll be almost everything that we've powder coated: intake, charge pipes, radiator brackets, lift, coil springs, and the tow hooks. The tow hooks, I've thought about doing a move bumper, so if I do, those will have to go anyway. So you know, if y'all have any ideas for the 6.0, drop them down below in the comments. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. Right now we're getting pretty close to 3,000. I'm trying to hit 3,000 before my birthday. We got like 2 weeks, so I don't know if we're gonna make it. We're 150 away, so maybe. But if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. I really do appreciate it. But anyway, guys, I think that is going to be a wrap for this one. So with that being said, if y'all enjoyed today's video or found it helpful, please hit that like button, drop a comment down below, smash that subscribe button. Thanks for watching, guys, and I hope everybody has a great day.